I'm about to tee up. Kenny's pissed, I'm not. Camp RAGER day and I'm a golf pro. Camp RAGER day 1.5. We had a 0.5 last night. I think it got a hold of us, but we're here, we're alive, we're golfing.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no else, gotta get a no call to quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stretch, on my green. That's how I get it. Success ain't no giving. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't wonder when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know this because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. But some family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket. Houston, we got a problem. I ain't perfect. Let them watch me elevating. Got them knocks. Cause I'm the pilot in the cockpit. Nose diving.
Slicing and dicing all the way. Got a little turf over here. Man, what a night. How was that, baby? I can't even open my eyes.
Dude, I got so much sand in my eyes. I almost blew the back off of this car and RJ's car. It's freaking good, man.
What are we looking at? About par 3 here?
Here we go, we got a par 3 golf pros. Closest one to the pin wins a bitchin' trophy.
Fire. Dude, you made it.
He went farther.
What are we doing? Shittiest pair.
Get underneath that thing.
I swear to God.
That's my warm up. Hey, Jack.
What happened to How'd it go for you?
Not gonna lie, for me, good thing I didn't pursue golf as a career. I can tell you that right now. But Doug did pretty good. His driver head went farther than his ball, so he might be the closest to the pin, actually.
This is a shit show. What would Happy Gilmore do in this situation?
Probably throw his clothes.
Bang bong.
I think he just tries to have a good time.
MC Hammer called. He wants his pants back.
He's not getting them though.
I got it.
Susie.
Finally, shit.
Whoa! Oh, you're up, King. Oh, man.
Pop them skirts up, baby. Woo!
Nose diving in the house and woo. Watch out, get ahead, watch out, get ahead, watch out, get ahead. Woo. Watch out, set it up, bet you watch, set it down, watch out, get a win. I don't think they really wanna come against the one that got a finger run up in on a grenade. I ain't never been there when you did, you compare, I'm a line, but the one about the cage.
Yeah, we made it race registration, which is good, and hopefully they like our outfits. Let me put my hat on.
Ireland boy.
I'm an island boy. I'm showing my pin right now.
Hey, no look.
Come on, late number. An 8! No! No! Yeah! No! No!
Hey, where you guys at? We're partying tonight.
Yeah,
Can I redraw?
No.
I just pulled an 8.
People, and she's like, stop! Pulled over to the highway. I was like, you want to get out? Stopped right on the highway. I'm like, do you want to get out?
Did you get out?
Dude, one of our teammates ate shit leaving our camp. Dude, did you go pull?
Yeah.
Let's go! Come on!
touch 3 times
Yeah,
down
I don't
there.
You're down. Come here. You got another one, baby.
RJ37, biggest supporter. Red line, get red line in here. Build my motors, helps it play quick. Bing bong, come from behind. Bing bong.
All right, well, it's the end here of Golf Pros and Tennis Hose Day, and we're gonna go interview some of our best folks. We'll see you out there by the campfire. And this is Campfire Talks with Ronnie. All right, so we're coming up here to our first victim. Sim's always on the horn, obviously you can hear it in the background, but we're coming up to our DJ here. I have no idea what his name is, but here he is.
Oh. Yo, wait, is it on? No, check. Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, it's your boy Daddy Shot Golfer out here at Glamis. Hey, Golf Pros, Tennis Hose, you know what it is. We're about to hit fucking olds. Turn up, get down, let's get it. All right, baby, I'll see you there.
Hey, check this man out on SoundCloud. I'm sure he's on there. I have no idea if he is or not, but I'm sure he is. Gomez, what do you got?
I just want to say I love my friends and proud sponsor AutoZone. $7, dude. I love you guys.
Woo! Huge throttle bong guy right here.
What are you interviewing?
Whatever you want.
What
to
are
say.
you interviewing?
What do you want to talk about?
All right, let's talk
You
about
have problems?
the climate change.
This guy's been to Antarctica and back, dude. He's seen the snow melt. Bing bong.
Bing bong.
Bing bong. You see these dogs in your front yard? Just know I'm upstairs going hard. Bing bong. We're going over here to Antonio here. What do you got to say?
Hey,
What do you want to know? I'm here to tell the truth.
we buffaloed you 3 times.
Long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow.
All right, so we're going over here to one of my pals. He's been here for a little bit. Camp Rager local. We're here with Christopher Pulvardi, golf pro. Doesn't get many tennis hose, but here he is.
Yeah, you know what? We've been out here at Camp Rager. You know, I'm stoked to be out here with my boy Ronnie.
Why do you sound so professional? We're here by the fire, doing beer bongs, playing musical flip cup.
Well, I'm just trying to sound professional because, like you said, I have come very short on the tennis hose.
Yeah. This guy hits the Hemet Golf Club, and like you got a little par 3. This guy hits a par 5. Here's Gil, crew chief here on the rig.
What's up? What are we talking about?
Crew chief on the rig. What do you got to say about it?
Well, if he doesn't break, he's gonna win. But if he doesn't win, then he's got to work on it the next round. That feels fair, right?
I don't know. Sounds tough. Like if I just blow a belt, you think like?
Yeah, you got to work on it.
So I just got to change the belt, and I'm good.
Yeah, that's fair.
It sounds like this guy has no confidence in me to win the round. So look, basically I'm gonna take the clutch cover off, pin it wide open, probably bang it off the limiter a few times, and we're gonna probably win. Honestly, I have no idea who that guy is, but he just smashed our table. I thought he was jumping on a motorcycle, and then here it was just body slamming. I mean, how do you know that one wasn't his table? Table, right there.
Are we sure?
Yeah.
For sure.
I don't know. It could have been Doug's. It could have been ours. It could have been JD's, really.
It's a loose program.
Yeah. Sometimes, dude, Kenny just gets out of control. Let's go interview that man. Hey, one more time for Wash 6, though. No. Let's check out his rig real quick. Looks like a maybe a Suburban motor mounted in there. Belt spinning still. That's good. What that is, but now we're going into the Glamis Bums party bus, and I don't really know what to think of here. I don't really know who this is. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong.
Just know.
Whose is this? Whose rig is this?
This is my rig. It was my rig.
This is not your rig. We're here interviewing Drake. Dogma tags, brother. He's probably already in bed, but Drake, here he is. Still up, still getting it. What do you have to say, Drake?
I don't know. He just is a really big loser, though. He is.
I don't even know what else to say, but I mean, Drake even said Doug's absolute loser. Gangsta my heart, never stop. Whoa! Yeah!
Sand Scramble Heat 1's about to take off. It's a pretty loose program. I didn't really get to do the sight lap. So I'm trying to put a strategy together in my head, and I don't really have one yet. I got Mario as a co-dog. We just gotta get in the top 6 to go to the finals, so I got it.
Honestly, it's pretty wild. Watching people just cartwheel and
oh,
I think it's their first time in the dunes. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I want to stay clear of all that.
I was just out there bing-bonging around. I missed pillar 6 every time.
We should park out there.
You'd think if you cut a whole corner off that you'd be fast, but I still got 8th after cutting the course every lap.
Now back to our regular scheduled program.
Honey, you're gonna drive home tomorrow. Wow, that's badass.
I guess that's a wrap.
It's spicy. That's a wrap, folks. Spicy.
We'll see you next year.